Hey gang, you're in for a special treat. This is my Lakewood RainGuard box fan. I drilled some holes in there when I used it on the Lasco box fan right there, but this is the controls, the speed thing, and there's the motor right there. Got a little dinky tuna can motor. Lakewood tuna can motor with a detachable cord, but here's high. Medium speed. Low speed, back to medium, and off. That's a decent spin down time. Time for a startup sound. Not much of a startup sound on low, but anyways, here's the thermostat. Doesn't light up. Anyways, thank you for watching, and feel free to leave a. Anyways, this is my Lakewood RainGuard. It's my Lakewood RainGuard box fan. Thanks for watching.